Hi guys, my name is Shrikantidam. Today I'm going to show you how to create S3 bucket in AWS. Once you log in AWS account, on the right side at the top right corner you can see the region. It's not Virginia, right? So now click on the services. Under storage, select S3. Okay, so before we create a bucket, I need to explain you a few details about S3. So S3 stands for Simple Storage Service, right? Here you have 3S, Simple Storage Service. So that is the reason it is called as S3. Okay, and it is a object level storage. It means you can store any kind of file within it, like music file, video file, or database file, word files. Okay, it will not change the extension of it when you upload it in the bucket. Once you upload the file, you can access it from anywhere using the internet. Mhm. And when you upload a file, it will not divide the content. It will upload it as a whole file, single file. Okay. And in object or object storage, the data is a unique. For example, the file name, the data, its metadata, object global, unique ID. So here we are going to click on create bucket. And one more thing, you cannot mount the S3 as a volume on your machine. Okay, and you cannot transfer your permission to different person, but you can share your details and give permission like read and write, but you cannot transfer your owner's permission to anyone else, and you cannot install operating system on the S3 bucket. And if you want to create bucket inside within it, you cannot do it. So it's, yeah, I mean to say you cannot create nested buckets. You can share the files as well. So here, for example, I'm going to type test. If you observe, when I selected S3, the regions changed to global. It means you can find the S3 buckets in any region, in all the region. Click on choose bucket. I'm going to select the region here. Block all public access, so only I can view it. Bucket versioning, it is disabled right now. I can add the tag. Encryption, it is also disabled. Now click on create bucket. I cannot create the bucket with test because it needs to be a unique. Maybe someone is already using the test name, so I have to create something unique. What we will create. So this is also already exist. Wow. Mm-hmm. So many are already being used. Cool. Okay, and if you already have a bucket with the settings, you can copy the settings from the existing bucket. Okay, but we don't have any bucket created here. So public access, it is blocked. Bucket versioning, right now I am not enabling the bucket versioning. We are not locking any files in advanced settings, so we will simply click on create bucket. Okay, our bucket is created, right? Mhm. Now click on bucket name. In the bucket name, let's do one thing. We will upload one file. I will save it in the new folder. Save it. Close. So this is how it looks. Click on upload. Click on add files. In the Amazon S3 bucket, you can upload folders and files directly. Okay. For example, if I click on add folder, I can upload entire folder here. If I want to upload files, individual files, I can upload individual files here. You can see. Select the file which you want to upload. So this is the destination. We can review the settings here. Bucket versioning is disabled. Default encryption, it is also disabled. Object lock disabled. Okay. In case if you enable bucket versioning, you cannot disable it. You can only suspend it, but you cannot disable. Okay, and review the permissions. Okay, private account, yes. I don't want to share it with anyone. So where do you want to upload the files? I'm going to upload the files in standard Amazon S3 account. Okay, and it has 3 availability zones. When I say availability zones, it means it's going to create copy in 3 zones. So this is the storage class types where exactly you want to upload the data. So I'm going to explain you later regarding this. So we are going to select standard, click on upload. Our file is uploaded successfully. Try to access the file. So this is the object URL. Access denied because this file is not available for public. Only you can view it. When you click on the link, it is a public link. So it will show access denied. Okay. Go to your bucket once again. Bucket Amazon. Select the file. Click on open. When you click on open, only you can view it. But if you want to share it with anyone, they cannot do it. Okay. If you want to copy the URL of this file, select the file, copy URL, and we are going to paste it here. Now see, it will show error. Access denied. Okay. So if you want to give permissions, select the file, click on actions, scroll down, make it public. Public access is blocked. Yes, you have to make it public now. Make public. We'll close this file here. Okay, close. Close it here. select, make public. Okay, click on permissions. Okay, we have to turn it off. Click on edit, uncheck the option, save changes, type confirm. Yes, settings are saved. Go to the objects again, select the file, action, make public. Good. Close, copy URL, open new tab. Now you can share this URL with your friends, they can view the file. This is how you create bucket in Amazon S3 and upload files and make it public. Okay, you cannot delete the bucket directly. In order to delete, you have to empty the bucket first. Okay, let me show you what will happen if you try to delete the bucket. Select bucket and click on delete. This bucket is not empty. Delete it. Click on cancel. Click on the bucket again. Select the file. Click on delete. Yes, we want to delete these files permanently. Delete the objects. It's done. Now go to your bucket, select the bucket and click on delete. You have to type the bucket name actually. My bucket name is bucket Amazon. Delete bucket. Okay. Thank you for watching guys. Meet you in next class.